Hey there, mountain bikers. Welcome to our channel, where we review the latest and greatest in the world of mountain biking. Today, we're taking a look at the S-Works Stumpjumper Evo, a high-performance mountain bike that's been making waves in the cycling industry. Let's dive in and see what this bike has to offer. The S-Works Stumpjumper Evo is designed for experienced riders who crave speed and precision. With its lightweight carbon frame, top-of-the-line suspension system, and high-quality components, this bike is built to handle the toughest terrain with ease. One of the standout features of this bike is its suspension system. The Fox Float DPX2 shock and Fox 36 factory fork work together to provide a smooth and responsive ride, even on rough terrain. The S-Works Stumpjumper Evo is also incredibly efficient when it comes to climbing. The bike's steep seat tube angle puts the rider in an optimal position for pedaling, and the suspension system helps to absorb shock and reduce fatigue. And when it comes to descending, this bike is a beast. The slack head tube angle and longer wheelbase provide stability at high speeds, while the shorter chainstays make the bike feel nimble and agile. One of the unique features of this bike is its adjustability. The flip chip allows riders to switch between a high and low setting, allowing them to fine-tune the geometry to suit their riding style and terrain. The S-Works Stumpjumper Evo also comes with a range of high-end components, including a SRAM XX1 Eagle drivetrain, SRAM Code RSC brakes, and Roval Traverse carbon wheels. These components work together to provide reliable and precise shifting, powerful braking, and fast rolling speed. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the S-Works Stumpjumper Evo. Its performance is exceptional, and its adjustability makes it a great option for riders who want to customize their ride to suit their needs. Of course, it comes with a high price tag, but for serious riders who demand the best, this bike is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our review of the S-Works Stumpjumper Evo. If you're looking for a high-performance mountain bike that can handle anything you throw at it, this might be the bike for you. Let us know in the comments below what you think about this bike, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and content from our channel.